Thanks for joining me at 5-Minute Mechanic. We're here, well, we're working on our John Deere L130, but we're at this Craftsman YS4500. Well, his battery doesn't look very good. It still has juice and still works. We're gonna pull it off and transplant it. I don't remember loosening this, but I was working on it when I realized the engine had blown. So I may have loosened this negative wire, but it is already loose. So we will just go ahead and take that off. And then come over here. And loosen this positive terminal. Maybe. All right, well, maybe that's a standard thing on a lawn tractor battery. The positive is a larger size bolt. I don't know. We can tighten this. Definitely some corrosion on here. Okay. Loosen that by hand. Probably should just start with a new battery, but this one does work, so I'm trying to just get this in. We have a few more mows left of the season. We can try and take care of it next year. All right, we're gonna go back over to the other side here. Okay, we're back. Just gonna wipe this off. This is an older battery as well. Not as old as the 2014 that was in this John Deere. But I think I saw a tag that said 17 or 18. Maybe not. But I've had it for a number of years myself now, so there we go, 2019. But I don't know how it got that dirty since the last time I saw it. Not what we want. Okay, I've cleaned that battery up, and we're gonna try and squeeze this one in here. Well, fancy that. Fits right in. Should probably clean these up a little bit more, but we're just gonna get it going. Not sure if you can see this or not, or if it's just my hands. Definitely been evidence of some rodents in here. I guess I would have expected that. Got the throttle cable held out of the way. Try not to knock it in to the view. just about did. Yep. Do that again in a second. Couldn't even see those ones, could you? If you ever wonder about my video quality, it's bungee cords. So, there you go. Okay. I don't know what I just knocked down. I'm gonna try and tighten these quickly. They definitely, these are at a different angle than they were on the other battery. This is going to be a great one to edit. Try and get in here. Whoa! See? Gotta be careful. That one's got juice. Trying to move my hands for a shot, and that's what you get. Well, it's got power. Sweet. Okay. I think now I have I need to do the grease fittings down here, and I did the oil. I need to connect the front of the deck. That's not connected. And I think we can try this thing. That'll be all for today. Thanks for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic. Remember, even just 5 minutes a day, you can start getting some of these projects taken care of.